Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of PCDT Shop Talk. I'm Wesley, a service technician here at Porsche Center, downtown Toronto. And today's episode will be the first in a series of episodes where we'll be looking at different comfort setting options for your Porsche and how to adjust those. In today's episode, we're going to be going over the optional cabin preheater and how to set that up. Now, before we look at how to activate the system, there are some conditions that must be met before the system can take effect. The outside air temperature must be less than 15 degrees Celsius. The vehicle's engine must be turned off. The battery must be sufficiently charged, and there must be a sufficient amount of fuel. Now, as long as the low fuel warning is not present on the cluster, that will be a sufficient amount of fuel. Starting here at the home screen, we'll navigate to the climate page here on the left side. Once we've arrived at the climate page, we'll select the timer option here on the left, which will bring us to our preheating and pre-cooling selection screen. We can manually activate the system by pressing the start button here at the top. Now, there are some conditions that will prevent the system from activating. For example, we can see here the battery charge is too low, and so the system will not activate at this time. However, we can set an automatic timer that can activate the system in the future. If we select departure timer here, we can adjust the time and the date at which we wish the system to activate in the future. There's also an option for a repeating timer. With this option activated, we can choose which days of the week we'd like the timer to repeat in the future. Once all our settings have been made, we press the back button here at the top and make sure the box is checked. Now that the box is checked, our pre-selected time and date was locked in. Now, one more thing worth remembering is that the system will automatically switch off approximately 2 minutes after the engine is started. It will also switch off approximately 30 minutes beyond your preset departure time. So if you find yourself running late, it's worth remembering that the system may have automatically switched itself off by the time you're ready to go. We hope the information provided has been helpful to you, and don't forget, if you have any questions, give us a call here at the Porsche Center, downtown Toronto.